The drought, the snow, to tornadoes, and everything in between. We know we can experience all types of weather right here in central Indiana. Storm team meteorologist Macy Tetrick has a look back at last year's weather now that the final day is in the books.
The final day of 2024 went down as a rainy one, but that wasn't the case for the entire year.
This year, we saw 43.5 inches of rain, which is just about right. In a normal year, we should see between 43 and 44 inches of rain. This stat doesn't tell the whole story, though, as we've battled periods of drought and heavy rain. No one knows this better than those who work with plants.
The last few years have been really rough for gardeners, I feel. For about, well over a decade, we've had these mini dry spells. This year, it was all the way from late July all the way until October. I know I was encouraging people to water daily, especially larger plants. Plants may be able to adapt, but it's sure stressful for gardeners.
Even though it felt stressful, it was an improvement. At the end of 2024, 55% of the state was in some form of drought, which is down from 97% at the end of 2023. What else happened this year? There were 57 tornadoes, including the one that caused this damage in Delaware County. Across the state, tornadoes have caused over $37 million in property damage and over $43,000 in crop damage. Don't forget, many other crops were damaged by gusty winds from Hurricane Helene in September. The warmest temperature of the year was 96 degrees on August 30th, while the coolest was -6 on January 15th. 2024 will go down in history for Indiana for the solar eclipse on April 8th.
And finally, we can talk about our snowfall, or maybe I should say our lack of snow for the year, because a typical year would see over 25 inches of snow, but this year we had just around 12. Macy Tetrick, WRTV.